Bhagwan is in tremendously love with Kabir. Kabir, nobody is sure whether he was Muslim or Hindu, but he was brought up in a Muslim family. His parents were Muslim, but nobody knows about his mother and father exactly. So he was found in Lahartara pond in Varanasi. The Niru and Nima is the father and mother. Niru is father and Nima is the mother. They were coming back from that and they saw the child crying, one day born child. So they pick up the child and people say he was son of a Brahmin. It's a long story, I will not go into that. So nobody is sure whether Kabir was brought up in a Muslim family, but he has all Hindu sanskars. So Kabir was popular among the poor people of India, and he was not known outside. He was not known outside India, not even Nepal. When I started talking about Kabir, people were unaware about Kabir, his glory. But he was known into very poor strata and lower caste in Hindu religion, and in some sect of Muslims. They were also, not all Muslim, but some sect of Muslim, and economically very poor section of Hinduism. Among them, only Kabir was known. Outside India, Kabir was not known before Osho. First time Osho delivered series of talk on Kabir in Hindi and in English. And when the English book reached West, then people were interested in Kabir. Bhagwan has more than half a dozen books in Hindi and similarly many books in English on Kabir. So those books when reached the West, and when that book were read by the scholarly people, because Kabir was from lower, nobody knows which caste he belonged, so Brahmins were not interested, Pandits were not interested, Mullah were not interested, because he criticized both Hinduism and Islam. No? The orthodox part of Hinduism and Islam, he was very critical. So both were angry and both tried to kill him. There were many attempts on his life because he was a revolutionary saint, illiterate. There is a line of Kabir. Kabir, कागज मसूच छुओ नहीं, कागज र कलम कहिले मैले छुनै छैन, पढ्नु भएकै थिएन, अक्षरै ज्ञान थिएन मलाई. कविले के भन्नुभयो, कागज मसी छुयो नहीं, लिखा लिखी की नहीं, देखा देखी की बात. मैले पढेको होइन, मैले देखेर कुरा गरिराखेको छु किताबमा. देखा लिखा लिखी की नहीं, देखा देखी की बात. मुझे कुरा, what I am talking is my own personal experience. I have not read anywhere, no? Because I don't know how to read or how to write. So he was academically he was illiterate, but spiritually he was very awakened, jnani, enlightened. So Bhagwan made Kabir popular even in India. In India also Kabir was known only in a very small sect. And that was also in UP, Bihar, and some small portion of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. He was not known in South India even in India. Nepal, though nobody knew about Kabir when I started talking about Kabir. So Bhagwan is in deep love with this poet Kabir. And because of Bhagwan, because I liked his teaching of Sahaj Yoga. Sahaj Yoga is a tradition, no? It started. There have been some guru before also, Ashtavakra, Zen, and Kabir was a great teacher of Sahaj Yoga, that enlightenment can happen and should happen without much efforts, just by understanding and a little bit of awareness. No? There is no need to do arduous meditation or sacrifice, because Kabir was married, he has son, daughter, and whole life he was a weaver. He used to weave clothes and sell, and this with a small income he maintained his family. It's a very interesting story of his life. He was a very beautiful person, very, very beautiful person. So Bhagwan introduced to the world, literate world, to the Brahmins, to the upper caste, the rich people, where they are not interested in Kabir. Kabir was Julaha, and only poor people in India were interested in. They were Kabir Panthi. Very small sect of Hinduism is Kabir Panthi. But Bhagwan made him popular in the West also. Now people know about Kabir, and Tipaniya ji, a great lover of Kabir, our friend, he goes to the West and he sings Kabir song, and he has met Kabir, and he has some Western followers. So now Kabir's songs are popular even in West. People are, and mostly because there was nothing in English about Kabir before Osho. Osho gave his lectures on Kabir in English, and those were printed, and then then people know English speaking. People also knew about Kabir, and the book was translated in German and in French and Italian language. So in Europe also people start reading Kabir.